Welcome everyone. I am Sajol Vishwas, Assistant Professor of Physics, Krishnagor Women's College, Krishnagor, Nadia, West Bengal. In this video, I shall discuss about the number system. Number system. There are various types of number systems. The number systems are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. First of all, the binary number system. The number system in which two digits 0 and 1 are used to denote any number is called binary number system. 2 is used as the base of the binary number system. Binary number system is expressed in the following manner. The binary number keeping within the first bracket and writing 2 as the base is the way of denoting a binary number. For example, this is a binary number 0 1 0 1 0. Base 2 is a binary number. Next, octal number system. The number system in which the digits 0 and 1 to 7, total 8 digits in total are used to denote any number is called octal number system. 8 is used as the base of the octal number system. Octal number is expressed in the following manner. Keeping the octal number within the bracket and writing its base 8, the octal number is expressed. For example, this is a octal number. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is the number system in which the digits 0 and 1 to 9, total 10 digits in total are used to denote any number is called decimal number system. 10 is used as the base of the decimal number system. Decimal number is expressed in the following manner. Writing the number within the first bracket and writing the base 10, here the decimal number is expressed. For example, this is a decimal number. Next, hexadecimal number system. The number system in which the digits 0 and 1 to 9 along with the letters A to E, total 16 digits in total are used to denote any number is called hexadecimal number system. Base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. Hexadecimal number is expressed in the following manner. For example, 01B2E base 16 is a hexadecimal number. Decimal to binary conversion. Here the conversion of the binary number 45 into its binary equivalent has been discussed here. For the conversion of any decimal number into its binary equivalent, the number is divided by 2 and after division the result 22 is written here and the carry is written aside. Carry 1 is written aside. Then 22 is divided by 2 again and result 11 is written here and the carry 0 is written here. In the similar process, 11, next its result 5 2 1 is written, and all the carries are written aside, and finally the carries we have found out are written in the reverse order, and the binary equivalent of the decimal number is obtained. Here the binary equivalent of the number 45 is 1011012. In the similar manner, we can convert any decimal number into its binary equivalent. For the conversion of a decimal number into its octal number, the number is divided by 8, and the result is written here, and the carry is written aside. And next step, the similar process is followed. Here 4161 has been divided by 8, 520 has written here, and carry 1 has been written here, and 520 has been divided by 8, result 65 has been written here, and the carry has been written here. In the similar process, all the carries we have found out are written in the reverse order, and we get the octal equivalent of the decimal number 4161 as 10101. In the similar manner, we can convert any binary decimal number into octal number. For the conversion of any decimal number to its hexadecimal equivalent, we have to follow the process. Here the hexadecimal equivalent of the numbers has been written here. The hexadecimal equivalent up to the digit 9 are the same, but the hexadecimal equivalent of the number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. For the conversion of the decimal number to hexadecimal number, the number is divided by 16, and the result is written below, and the carry is written aside. Here we have divided 500574 by 16, and we have found out the result as 31285, and the remainder or carry has been written here. From the table we can see that the hexadecimal equivalent of 14 is E. This is why E has been written here. In a similar manner, the process is carried out until we get the number less than 16, and the final step, the result which is less than 16 is also divided by 16, then we get result as 0 and carry as the same number. And in the final step, all the carries are written in the reverse order, and we get the hexadecimal equivalent of the binary number. Now the binary to decimal conversion, the reverse process of decimal to binary conversion. We know that the base of a binary number is 2. So as we go from the right to left side, the power always increases. Here the power of the 1 is here the in the number in the units place is 1 and it should be multiplied by 2 to the power 0, and the next one should be multiplied by 2 to the power 1, and in the similar process all the numbers are multiplied with the power increasing power of 2. The maximum power of 2 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the powers of 2 are written in the decimal format, and all the numbers are added together, and we get the final result 91 as the binary decimal equivalent of the binary number. For octal to decimal conversion, the similar process is applied here. Here the coefficient of 1 is 2 to the power 0 and coefficient of this one is 2 to the power 1, coefficient of 0 is 2 to the power 2. In a similar manner, the coefficient of this one is 8 to the power 6. Sorry, the coefficient of this one is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 0, coefficient of 0 is 8 to the power 2. In the similar manner, coefficient of this one is 8 to the power 6, and all the powers of the 8 are found out and are multiplied by the coefficients, and all the numbers are found are added together, and the final result is obtained. Here we have found out the octal to decimal conversion result is the decimal equivalent of the octal number 1011011 is 266761. For hexadecimal to decimal conversion, for example, the number 5A36F, the coefficients of the numbers F6, 3A5 are found out. The coefficient of F is 16 to the power 0 and coefficient of this 6 is 16 to the power 1, and in the similar manner the coefficient of this 5 is 16 to the power 4. All the powers are found out and multiplied by the coefficients, and all the numbers are added together, and the final result is carried out. Here we have found out the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number 5A36F is 369519. In a similar manner, we can find out any decimal equivalent of any hexadecimal number. Binary to octal conversion. For binary to octal conversion, the binary number are grouped in 3 number of digits as shown in the figure. Here the total number of binary digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is why we have found out 4 groups. If there is any shortage of binary digits, we can add any number of digits in the left hand side. Then the the octal equivalent of these numbers are determined. Here the octal equivalent of 110 is 6, 011 is 3, 001 is 1 and 011 is 3. Hence the octal equivalent of this number is 6313. For binary to hexadecimal conversion, the numbers are grouped as 4 digits as shown here. The total 12 number of digits has been divided in 3 groups. If there is any shortage of digits, we can add the required number of 0 in the left hand side. After this process, the hexadecimal equivalent of the each group are found out. Then the hexadecimal equivalents of each group are written together and we get the final result. Following this way, we can find out the hexadecimal equivalent of any binary number very easily. Thank you all for watching this video.